Alright, what are we on? Our fourth slide of our notes? Write an equation in standard form when you're given 2 points on a line. So up front, I'll tell you this is the most work you'll do when you write an equation of a line. If you have just 2 points, which means you don't even have the slope, and you have to take it all the way to standard form. But that's okay because we know how to do everything we have to do. If you don't have the slope, always find the slope first. So we'll do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We get a negative 5 over 5, negative 1. So now that you have a slope, we start writing the equation. We're going to take our slope and our first point, and we're going to write an equation in point-slope form. So we'll do y minus 3 equals negative 1 times x plus 1. So when you have point-slope form and you have to keep going to standard form, we will solve for y next. So we distribute our slope. Y minus 3 equals negative 1x or negative x, and then negative 1 times 1, so minus 1. We're still getting y alone, so we'll go ahead and add 3. We have y equals negative x plus 2. Alright, so now this is slope-intercept form. We're not done yet because we still have to get to standard form. So remember, standard form just has us get the x out in front of the y. It's a negative x, so I will add x to both sides. You might have negative 1x written down, which is the same thing. I'll go ahead and rewrite it up here. We have a 1x plus our y equals 2. So we've got everything in its proper place for our standard form of ax plus by equals c. So two things we look for. X has to be positive. I see a positive x, and you can't have any fractions, and I do not see any fractions. So this one actually is done. We didn't have to deal with multiplying by a negative 1 or multiplying by the denominator. So, done. Standard form.